Hello, alright, so I'm James from the Sonic Art Mastery team. Today I'll be sharing one simple method for the new traders to spot the market structure in the chart. Alright, so we will categorize, there are three kinds of movement in the chart. Alright, it's either the price will go into a range, an up move, or a down move. Okay, so let me illustrate how it looks like in this pane. Alright, so the first one, for price that are moving in a range, it is usually moving what we call sideways. Alright, so there are a few terms to it. Some people call it sideways, some people call it consolidation, ranging, whatever it is, it's all referring to the same thing. Okay, so what we can see is price move up and then go to a sideways movement. Alright, so we can see that the last higher high come down, form another low, goes back to the same high again, alright, and comes back to the same low. Alright, so this is where price consolidates or range. Okay, so in the chart, usually what we will be seeing is price will be moving in a sideways movement, okay, to garner some strength before it makes its next move, whether is it going to go up or go down. And for the up move, we will have price going in the range first and okay, make the first high, followed by a higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Okay, so this entire up move will be what we consider the up move. Alright, and then for the downside would be the flip side of the up move. Alright, just ranging, goes down, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Okay, so this is just a very simplified version of looking at the market structure and see how does the price move. All right, whether does it create the first up move or the first down move. All right, and then if price could not goes back into the last swing high again, then we will say that price is ready for a down move. All right, the same thing goes for the up move. If price is unable to go back to the last low again, then we will say that price is ready for the for the up move already. Okay, range is just pretty straightforward. It just means that price is going in a sideways movement. With this is called the resistance level, the support holding on to the price. Now let's look at some of the examples in the chart. All right, so the first one would be the ranging movement. All right, so this is what we call the range. Okay, so what can you see from the chart over here? Alright, so over here, what we can see that is price is actually just moving in a range. Right? Can you just spot this high over here? This high over here, this low over here. Alright, okay, this one. Okay, so all this high or this low, which is being respected well. Okay, so you see price comes back to this area, it's being rejected again, comes back, being supported, goes back up, being rejected. Alright, the same thing over here. So if you were to draw the box, right, if you were to draw a line across, we can see that price is actually kept between these two zones. Alright, which means that it is just bouncing between the resistance. This is the resistance, and this is the support level. Okay, so this is what we call price is in a range mode. Alright, so for this kind of play, it's actually just to buy at the very low and then sell at the very top. Okay, up next would be the down move. Okay, for down move, as we can see over here, okay, the down move will be red color. What we can see, okay, can you see that price actually goes into a range over here? All right, this is the last swing level. All right, this is the last low. All right, can you see over here? The price goes up, comes back low, goes up again. So this is the last low. This is the first sign that the price is looking to go down. Okay, so how can we know that the price is going to go down? When it can't goes up anymore. Alright, so as you remember, this is the last swing level, right? Or these are the last swing level. So what can we see over here from the price? Price could not go up higher. Alright, so once it breaks down, it starts to go down even more. Alright, so again, we have a last we create a lower low. This is the last swing level. Price could not break above. Okay, price goes down, create a lower low. The last swing level over here and over here, price could not go up higher. Okay, so it creates another lower low over here. These are the few last swing high level. So in order for us to say that the price is ready for up move, we have to see the first sign of a higher high that goes above the last swing level, which is over here. Okay, and then as you can see, with the last low over here, price could not break below this level. So this could be the first sign that price is looking to change its trend to turn upwards. Okay, so what might happen is that we could, okay, where's my mouse? Okay, we could likely to see price starts to make its up move again, all right, by creating another higher high. Okay, so price might come down for this kind of way. All right, so as you can see over here, here is a very decent resistance level, right, with two areas holding on to the price. So if price were to break up this level in a zoom out picture, in a bigger picture, if price were to break up above this level, we should likely to see price to go up even much more higher and could likely to revisit this ranging part over here already. Okay, so now let's look at the other one. All right, the up move. Okay, so as you can see over here, the up move, what can you see over here? Price is in a range. Correct, price is in a range. The first up move, price, okay, here has some movement which we are wrong. All right, so always remember trading is not always right. So price make the first break the last low, all right, but it doesn't go down lower. Okay, so it just goes up, comes back, make a higher high. The last swing low is also being broken, but price managed to go up higher. Okay, so we have the last swing level over here, price break upwards, it gets respected over here, breaks higher than this level, get respected over here because it didn't go lower than this area. Okay, once it goes lower than this area, then this is where we might see the sign that the price is looking to turn. Okay, so as you can see, it goes up higher and higher. Okay, so we have a first sign over here, right? The last swing level that is being broken. So let's see how does price reacts to this level. Okay, so price move. All right, and yeah, continue its uptrend. All right, because it managed to break above this last swing high. All right, so what we want is that, let's say for example, all these things didn't turn out right, all these things didn't play out. When price comes over here and get rejected strongly, and when price comes over here and gets rejected strongly, this is where we can see that this is actually a very good sign of entry because we have the initial bias that this might be the first swing level. Okay, so this will be a very good area for you to look for a short trade. But in this case, price didn't go down lower to create another lower low, but get well respected at this support level. Okay, so this is how you can actually look at the market structure. It is not 100% right, but this is just a very general bias, a very basic bias on how you look at it. Okay, so this is all for today. All right, we will do more on the basic technical analysis in the near future. All right, goodbye.